Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Reason Churchill has said, any party which accepts our skills.
$100 plus, and Xavier De Silva is leading now on number 2 in Wedley. It's not Benjamin Silva but Aam Aadmi Party.
Francis Silvera is leading. Now this is again interesting in Santander. Francis Silvera is leading against Viresh Borkar of Revolutionary Goans by 17 votes. 1-7.
Simply a mockery. खरीदरी अशी दिसता की टाइम पास करपाक गेलो.
Nobody says that you have no right to contest.
What did you say? Listen,
Nobody says you have no right to contest. You have certainly every right.
Praveen Arlekar, BJP, is leading by 450 mata, 452 votes. Ketan Batikar is leading now in Konna. Again, number 2 is not Ravi Naik. Rajesh H2, Rancher Fowler, 114. Michael Lobo is about 1000. Jana Bhandari is 79.
If you go by the ECM results, then the BJP's vote share is showing around 34.7%. Yeah. Which generally what we got in 2000.
I was just doing the calculation. It now seems that BJP has a margin, a comfortable margin is across 19 seats. 19 सीटाचेर भाजप भारतीय जनता पक्ष
गोवाचे हेर ऑयल ऑर्गॅनिक आणि कोल्ड प्रेस नैसर्गिक रितीन केला. आमच्या गोवाचे हेर ऑयल आसा मीन सेटल
work for Michael Lobo the way it was expected, and I think the split has taken over all his kind of imagination. Okay, you see this time the campaign was all workers were coming to be first past the post. I am not inclined to believe that BJP is going to. Yes, now you take sure the BJP had lost it last time. They've got a lead there. Now same thing in. गणेश गावकाराक 5.5 ची लीड मेळटा आणि ती पहिलीचे जर 7 बूथ जर पहिले जाल्यार
So again significant. Alton Dicostaची lead over बाबू कवळेकर.
आज का दिन थोड़ा अच्छा लगा स्क्रीन इधर डालने के बाद कि हम लोग आने जाने वाले को सबको अच्छा तरीके से मालूम पड़ रहा है कि आज कैसा रिजल्ट आ रहा है. किसी का डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं है. सब घर में बैठ के सोच रहे थे कि हम लोग टीवी लगा के देखेंगे. इसने स्क्रीन डाला बहुत अच्छा काम किया.
वास्कोन बरी सोय आमकां केल्ली आसा प्रुडंट मिडियान आनी लोकांक पळोवपाकूय मेळ्ळी आनी बरो रिजल्ट येयल्लो आसा आनी हे सारकेंच बरें जालें. एकदमूच बरें आमकां अशें आसा की स्क्रीन घातलें. खूबच वेवस्था बरी जाल्ली आसा. लोकांक गर्दी दिसता हांगा आमकांय पळोवंक मेळ्ळें तेतून.
बहुत अरेंजमेंट अच्छा किया. टीवी देख रहा है सभी लोग को, पब्लिक को बहुत अच्छा हुआ और गुड अरेंजमेंट अच्छा किया.
साऊथ गोवा पयल्या आमी स्टुडंटान खूब जाग्यार स्क्रीन घातली आसा. त्या प्रमाणे आज शिवाजी सर्कल कुडचड्यार हांगा स्क्रीन घातलेली आसा आनी ते स्क्रिना कडेन प्रचंड म्हळ्यार खूब लोक अशी गर्दी जाली आनी खूब जाण लोकांना एप्रिशिएट केलेले आसा. तुमी एक बरी काम केलें अशें म्हणून आमचे स्क्रीनचेर पळोवपाक मेळटा अशें म्हणून आनी अशेंच मुखार बी करा अशी लोकांची मागणी आसा. आनी एक बरी दिसता स्टुडंटांचे इनिशिएट रोल घेतलेलो स्क्रीन घालपाचो ते स्क्रीनीचो खूब प्रतिसाद मेळटा.
बरें काम केलें. हेच्यात आमकां माहिती मेळटली की इलेक्शना भितर कितें चल्लां कितें ना तें रिजल्टाचे. थोडे जाणां युट्यूबाचेर हेजेर पुटा बरें व्हडले स्क्रीन बऱ्या पडटा पळोवपाक.
But what I'm saying is, as a political analyst, both political aspect and the analysis part of it, you have got it wrong as far as RG is concerned. I'll call you. We never planned anything but RG.